Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening settings and navigating straight to the keyboard area so you can disable autocorrect quickly. Tap General Management or System. Samsung menus vary by carrier and updates, so look for keyboard or language input. Once you see Samsung keyboard listed, tap its entry to open Preferences. Make sure you are editing the Samsung keyboard settings, not a third-party app. This ensures the changes apply to the default typing experience across apps rather than a single messaging app. Now dive into Smart Typing or Text Correction to find the autocorrect options. You will see toggles labeled Auto Replace, Autocorrect, and Predictive Text. Turn them off. Once done, test the keyboard in a text field. If corrections still appear, force close the app you typed in or switch to another app and back, because some apps cache keyboard behavior. Make sure to also check any third-party keyboards installed, since they have separate autocorrect controls that won't be affected by Samsung keyboard settings. Finish by closing settings and typing a few sentences to confirm autocorrect is off. If changes failed to stick, go to Apps, find Samsung Keyboard, and clear cache. This removes stale settings without erasing dictionaries. If problems persist, update your phone or keyboard through Software Update or Galaxy Store, because bugs can re-enable features. As a final troubleshooting step, temporarily switch to Gboard or another keyboard to see whether the issue is system-wide or limited to the Samsung keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.